guys, in this video, we're going to talk about rates, unit rates, and better buy. So a rate is a ratio that compares two quantities measured in different units. If you're doing how many dollars is it for 4 pumpkins, how many miles is it for 4 hours, that sort of thing. Where a unit rate is a specific rate whose denominator is 1. Okay, so how much is it for 1 pumpkin or for 1 hour, for 1 minute? To change the rate to a unit rate, you're going to set up a proportion. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So the Townsend family is going camping in North Carolina, which is 288 miles from their house. They would like to reach the campground in 6 hours so they can set up their campsite. What would their average speed be in miles per hour? So we have 288 miles in 6 hours. That's the rate. So then we're going to set up a proportion to find the unit rate, how much it is for 1 hour. 288 over 6. We don't know how many miles it is for 1 hour. So normal cross multiply and divide. 288 times 1 is 288 divided by 6. So 288 divided by 6. Okay, so 6 goes into 28 4 times. It's 24. Subtract and bring down. 6 goes into 48, 8 times, 0 left over. So it's 48 miles per hour. Okay, miles per hour. You can put MPH if you want. That's the abbreviation. That's fine too. So Miss Smith traveled 235 miles in 5 hours. How far does she go in 1 hour? We're finding the unit rate. So 325 miles, you put your units to help you, in 5 hours. How much is it for 1 hour? Cross multiply and divide. So 325 divided by 5. 2 left over. 5, 25. Our answer is, that's not a pretty 5 at all. I'm sorry about that. So it's 65 miles per hour. While exercising, Miss Cattell's heartbeat is 675 times in 9 minutes. How much is it per minute? 675 times. We don't know how many times over here. 9 minutes in 1 minute. Cross multiply and divide. 9 times 7, 63. 4 left over. Break down the 5. 5 times 75 times per minute. Fill in these blanks. I get down those. Okay, so Courtney earns $52 for babysitting her nephew and niece for 8 hours. How much can she earn per hour? So same situation, $52 for 8 hours. How many dollars is it for 1 hour? So 52 divided by 8. 8 times 8. It's too big. 7 is too big, so 6. 48 with 4 left over. Can't just leave it as a remainder, so we need to add our decimal and our 0. Bring it down. Goes in 5 times. Bring your decimal up. So $6.50 per hour. You do need that 0 on there. It's not just 6.5. It's $6.50. Okay, Danny is buying Snickers. There's 4 Snickers for $7.46 or $5.95, which is the better buy. Better buy just means the cheapest. Okay, so find the unit rate for both, then figure out which one is less. So $7.46 for 4 Snickers equals how much for 1 Snickers? $9.50 for 5 Snickers. How much is it for 1 Snickers? Okay, we're going to cross multiply and divide. So 746 divided by 4 goes in 1 time. 3 left over. Okay, goes in 8 times. 32, 2 left over. Bring down to 6. 6 times is 24, 2 left over. Add a 0 and bring it down. We got to keep going. Goes in 5 times. Okay, so this is really important. We can't have 3 numbers behind our decimal for money, so we need to round it. The 5 tells the 6 to raise the score, so it's $1.87. Okay, $9.50 divided by 5 goes in 1 time. Okay, goes in 9. 0 down, 0, raise the roof, $1.90. So the better buy is the 4 Snickers because $1.87 is less than $1.90. So Justin is throwing a party. He needs to buy some pizza. He wants to buy from the pizzeria and have the best deal. So we've got to find the unit rate for each one and compare them. Yes, you may like one better than the other, but for this example, we're just looking at the cost. So 4 pizzas for $40.50. How much is it for 1 pizza? Okay, so $40.50 divided by 4. Oops. Goes in 1 time. Goes in 0 times. On the 5, it goes in 1 time. Bring down the 0, it goes in 2 times. 2 left over. Add a 0 and bring it down. It goes in 5 times. So it is 10.125. We do need to round this to be $10.13. Notice the 5 or more raise a score. Okay. So Rosa's was $10.13. Let's do Marco's. $30.36 by 3. So $30.36 divided by 3 goes in 1 time. 0, raise the roof. Goes in a 3 1 time. Bring the 6 down, goes in twice. So $10.12. Okay. $60.96 with 6 pizzas. How much is it for 1 pizza? One time. 0 times. Goes in 1 time. I'll change the color. 1 time. Bring the 6 down. Goes in 6 times. So it's $10.16. Therefore, the better buy is Marco's Pizza. So you did have to make sure you rounded Rosa's correctly, or you would have gotten that these were equal. Make sure you round it correctly, and hope you enjoyed this video.